Hey, I'm George Kohler, founder of Chicago Suburb Living, brokered by eXp Realty, and this is the February update for what's happening in the real estate market in the suburbs of Chicago. Let's get into it. So today's topics: 2026 home affordability changes, 2026 mortgage rate forecast, and home closings, as well as Chicago's best-selling suburbs update. So, what do the numbers mean? Again, I want to remind everybody what a seller's market is, what a balanced real estate market is, and what a buyer's market is. A seller's market is defined as having 0 to 4 months of real estate inventory. To give you an example, if 20 homes sell in a city each month and there's 40 homes for sale right now, there's 2 months of real estate inventory. A balanced market is 5 to 6 months of real estate inventory, and a buyer's market is 7 months or more of real estate inventory of homes that are available for sale. The entire Chicagoland area has less than 2 months of real estate inventory in the top 25 selling suburbs. So affordability improves in 2026. Finally, we're getting some relief. And you can see the projections. You can see what's happened from 2010 all the way to 2024 and now to 2026. So home price affordability is improving. And the main reason for that is for interest rate drops. So this is the mortgage rates, right? Starting from 2012 going to 2026, you can see rates were in the 2.5%, 3% range. Then they shot up a little bit higher after COVID, and they were in the sixes, sevens, and even eights. Now rates are hovering right around 6%, 5.9, just kind of depends on the day. Mortgage rates are expected to stay right around 6% for the remainder of 2026. So if you're waiting on the sidelines for rates to be at 5.5, do not wait. It's not likely happening this year. The good news is purchase mortgage applications are up. You can see this purple line represents 2025 and see where the purchase applications were. Already in 2026, we're seeing a big uptick in purchase mortgage applications, which is great news. Data shows improving demand to start off the year. So mortgage payments and affordability. Payments on purchases are now 8% lower than they were a year ago. This is great news. You can see January and February, purple line again was 2025. The blue line is 2026. So you can see payments on purchases are now 8% lower. That's great news for us. This is the expectations, the 2026 home sales forecast. So you can see in 2024, there was 4.7 million homes that sold and closed. 2025 had 4.7 million closings. And in 2026, we're expected to finally get back up to over 5 million home closings. This is closed listings in the 4 counties that we track: Will, DuPage, Kendall, and Kane County. This will show you January. We've got the numbers from 2024, 2025, and then 2026. So there are 1,290 closed homes in January. So starting off a little bit behind last year, I do expect that to increase and tick up come April, May, June, July, really our busy season. So these are the 25 best-selling suburbs of Chicago. These are the 2025 numbers versus the January 2026 numbers. So you can see Naperville was the #1 best-selling suburb of Chicago with 1,839 homes closed. The average market time was 12 days. For attached homes, townhomes, median sales price was $332,000. Single-family median sales prices was $700,000 last year. In January of 2026, already 90 homes closed. The average market time was 32 days. Attached home prices $389, and single-family median sales price is $727. You can see this for, again, these are the top 25 best-selling suburbs of Chicago. These are the top 5. Here's 6 through 10, 11 through 15, 16 through 20, and 21 through 25. Hey, I'm George Kohler. Again, I'm founder of Chicago Suburb Living. I specialize in the suburbs of Chicago. I don't sell any homes in Chicago. It's out of my wheelhouse. But Naperville, Plainfield, Aurora, Downers Grove, Lisle, Wheaton, that's my real wheelhouse. This is my contact information. Would love to connect with you. And if you visit my website, chicagosuburbliving.com, if you go to the suburbs tab, you can see the best-selling suburbs, creating information about each one of those suburbs to tell you about the schools, the entertainment, the restaurants, homes that are available for sale. And then I also specialize in 55 plus retirement communities. So I've got the most detailed information on each one of these communities. I have a video of each 55 plus community to show you the clubhouse, the indoor and outdoor heated pools, the hot tubs, all the amenities that are available. I also have photos of home styles. I have all the homes that are available for sale just within those communities, and then the most detailed information on the clubs, the classes, the activities, property taxes, pet policies, essentially everything that you would need to know. So I would love to connect with you. If you have questions, if you're just starting to dip your toe in the pond, I've been helping people buy and sell homes in the suburbs of Chicago for 20 years. I'd love to be the agent to help you make your move in 2026. Thanks for watching.